Hello everyone, here's a quick video. It's going to be of these Airsoft like metal mesh glasses, goggles I got here. I ordered these a while back, never used them. I think I bought them on Deal Extreme for about $5 or $6, free shipping. Anyways, I've always wondered if these were strong enough to really protect your eyes from a high-powered airsoft gun, so that's kind of why I've been hesitant whether or not to use them. Yeah, so right now is going to be a demo or shooting test or whatever, a strength test of these really. As you can see, it is metal mesh right there, which I think it's a good idea if it's strong enough, if it doesn't dent or if the BB doesn't go through, because then it won't fog up or anything like that. So, yep, let me set it right here. And I'm going to be shooting them with my JG M4 Enhanced version airsoft gun here. It chronos at about 385 feet per second with 0.2 gram BBs. That's what I got in there is 0.2 gram BBs. So I'm going to be shooting at point blank and seeing the damage. I'm going to guess that it's going to dent it, if not go all the way through it. Probably at least a dent. So yeah, here we go. This is from point blank range with 0.2 gram BBs. Alright, let's look at the damage here. It definitely dented it. Let's see, not that bad. A small dent, so that's pretty good. See if you can see the actual dent right there. Did it go through? It did not break any of the mesh. It didn't go all the way through, but it's nevertheless a little dent. So let's try it again. Right there. Alright, that was 2 shots this time, and they're actually right next to each other. Yeah. So that's kind of what I thought. I thought it would actually dent it more. These dents aren't that bad. Chances are you're never going to be this close in airsoft getting shot at, or else you're doing something wrong. So that's pretty good. I think I would trust these. I might wear them as long as those dents don't get in the way. But I'll probably order myself another pair that's not dented, and I think I'll trust them now. I always planned on doing this before I wore them, and I thought I might as well make a video of it. So again, that was 385 feet per second JG M4 Enhanced version airsoft gun, shooting at these metal mesh airsoft goggles. I would say yes, that they're safe to wear while playing airsoft. Probably just as safe as the other plastic ones. Yeah, I've shot the plastic ones before, point blank, just like this, same gun and everything, and they did not break, didn't crack or anything. So I know that the other ones, most of the other ones are pretty safe. So, alright, thanks for watching.